Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to submit your tax return. Filing your taxes can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's straightforward. We'll walk through the essential steps to ensure a smooth submission. First, you need to understand the various filing options. Then, gather all your important financial documents. Finally, select the appropriate tax forms for your specific situation. Let's get started on making tax season less stressful for you. Before you even think about filling out forms, gathering your documents is crucial. You'll need your W-2 forms from every employer you had. Don't forget any 1099 forms for income from investments or contract work. Also, compile all receipts and records for potential deductions and credits, like student loan interest or medical expenses. Having everything organized upfront saves a lot of time and prevents last-minute scrambling. This step ensures you report all income and claim all eligible benefits. Now let's talk about how you'll actually submit your return. Electronic filing, or e-filing, is by far the most popular and efficient method today. You can use various tax software programs, many of which offer free options for certain income levels. Alternatively, a qualified tax professional can handle the entire process for you. If you choose to e-file yourself, always ensure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your personal financial information. This method often leads to faster refunds too. The final steps are critical: review and submit. Before hitting that submit button, meticulously review every single entry on your tax return. Even small errors can cause delays or issues. Make sure your return is properly signed, whether electronically or with a physical signature if mailing. Most importantly, submit your completed return by the deadline, typically April 15th, to avoid any late filing penalties. Congratulations! You've successfully filed your tax return for the year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.